We are going to take a look at a Midwest Automation 66-inch top and bottom glue spreader. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. Let's state the obvious first and get it out of the way. This machine is not a looker, but often glue equipment is not pretty, and this machine is no exception to the rule. However, it has a set of good usable rolls. Not perfect, but good rolls. It's hard to find a good usable machine for under $5,000 these days. All 4 side seals are present, the drip pan is also in good condition, and the machine works. If you are on a budget, looking for an entry-level wider machine, or just need a top and bottom glue spreader occasionally, then this one might fit the bill. It's a Midwest Automation GS217. It has 66-inch rolls and a 4-inch daylight opening. It's powered by a 1 horsepower motor and currently wired for 230 volt 3-phase operation.